time he wakes up, he has only one thought, and that is, how do I do this scene better? How do I? He actually does from the time he wakes up. I think he's always focusing on how to do his job better, and also. On a side note, he's also one of the nicest human beings. I think that he has a wonderful sense of humor, and he just makes sure that everyone is happy on set. He's always smiling. There's never a rough day. There's never everyone is just so cool around him. And what he's done in Citadel is a completely new BD, completely new. His action is.
We saw that completely new VD recently on social media as well, where he's flaunting his abs, and we have to say, we love that avatar of VD, don't we?
God's plan.
God's plan. भगवान का plan.
हाँ.
Actually, वो Drake का गाना है, but it's famous because of Rinku Singh. और over भी क्या डाला है रिंकू सिंह ने 19th over. It's very fascinating when me and Sam met. We are born only a few days apart, actually.
You are younger?
I became younger. I don't know if I am. You're on?
April 28th, 87.
No, you're 28th, I'm 24th. So I'm
4 days,
younger.
4 days younger.
4 days younger. But we were always so much in sync. Even it's like how we feel like when we go for an event or how the actual feeling. It's strange. I don't know. It's because if we are both are Taurians or we are born a few days apart. But there's a lot of sync, I think, over there. And she's very spiritual as well, which always helps. I think Sam will agree, will always depend on the technical team that you have. And she has her favorite action choreographer, whose name is Yannick, he's my favorite now as well. He's amazing, that guy. And he's done some incredible work in Honey Bunny. And I think that Raj and DK always work with Ejaz Bhai as well. He's their mainstay. And so we had an amazing crew with us, you know. So I felt very safe. It like jump with a bike 40 feet in the air, and then Raj would be with the camera, and then DK will be like, "You'll do that, right? You'll do that." I'm like, "But like, okay, I don't know what to say."
They make it look like a cakewalk for you.
It was scary, but when you see the result, it's all worth it. And trust me, like, this is just a teaser. They've not put anything. They're very, very conjuice. There's lots more that Samantha been through, bruises, hurts, which Amazon didn't let us put out actually.
They're wanting us to, leaving us wanting for more.
कुछ नहीं डालने देते हैं Amazon यार, इतना एम्बार्गो डाल देते हो तुम लोग, कुछ डाल ही नहीं सकते हम लोग.
Samantha,
खुद तो डालने दो, सुबह का खाना जो है वो भी नहीं डाल सकते.
Wow, he's trying to put a wedge between the two of you.
let us spy.
Bunny
For
is
both
my
of us, this question goes for both of you.
Bunny is my mentor. He teaches me everything I know. So I'm the better spy.
And in real life, you're his inspiration. So, Varun, what about you? No.
In real life, you're a spy in real
I
life.
think in real life, women would definitely be better than men.
What, a spy? I'm not so sure I like that answer.
They've all agreed. All the men also agree. कितने प्रतिशत भारतीय पकड़े गए स्पाइंग की वजह से.
Sita wants something, please.
We started with this whole idea of Honey and Bunny. It's a spy action film series. It's a story of, we know everything about James Bond. What would the story of James Bond's parents be like? So that's Honey and Bunny. There's no one is up, one is down, one is greater, no, both are equal. They're top.
Please. And now that we have the team, the gang here on stage, we are waiting. Shall we? I know you all are waiting to know, right? Launch date? Disclose कर दें? Okay, उसके लिए करना पड़ेगा. Mike, come on. I'll take it. I'll do that.
You're doing photos?
They want to, so quick photo and then, yeah, wait, hold on. I'll become the mic wala. I'll give it back to you. Thank you. Into the spotlight.